Welcome guys. In this video I will show you how you can buy Meta Hero token into your Trust wallet easily, and I will show you how this token is best. Many people asking me, please make a video how you can buy a Meta Hero token using your Trust wallet, and if it is available on any exchange, how can we buy. So this coin price is now $0.149 at current date, so it's 22% up within a 24 hours in the last. So when you see its graph is almost up in the 1 day, when you see its 7 day time graph, it's almost up to 50% up. When you see its trading volume in 24 hours is 89 million as today date. So the market rank of this coin is 2730. That is nothing. When it goes to 150, you see what price will be the pumping. So guys, every token have its fundamentals, and these coins are developed to give the meta scanning technologies for the traders. Actually these coins have aimed to develop the more and more peoples into the crypto. Those who are non-crypto, their aim to be bring those people into the crypto. So this is the main aim of this token. Guys, when you see Meta Hero on the CoinGecko market, it's already ranked on the number 153, and it's the trending token of the metaverse. When you see its official Twitter account, they share that, I will show you, BSC Daily share that the top BSC projects by alt rank in the metaverse. So Meta Hero is the top trending on number 1. Guys, I'm not giving you advice to buy this coin. I will show you the fundamentals and the other related. So guys, let's come to the topic how you can buy these coins easily. I am using Trust wallet, and I will show you how you can buy Meta Hero token easily. Guys, this is my channel, and if you are new into my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon please. So here you see I upload the trending token on my channel, and which give you a more benefit. So guys, open your Trust wallet account, and I'm using here Trust wallet. Here open Trust wallet, then open here a D-app button. When you click on the D-app button, you will shift to this website, then open an exchange PancakeSwap. Here when you swipe down, here you can click on PancakeSwap.finance. So this interface will appear. Here I am using my BNB. Here I will put 0.002 BNB here, and I will select here currency Meta Hero. So here Meta Hero will appear. Guys, if this token will not appear here, you have to go to their official website. I go to their CoinMarketCap, then copy that contract address and then paste it here. So I will show you. Paste your address, then this token will automatically appears. So click on the import button, click on the I understand, then click on import. So this token will appear here. With this BNB I will buy 7 Meta Hero tokens. Okay, click on the swap button, confirm swap. So here the smart contract call will be executed. The network fees will be the 0.13, and guys, the swap has cancelled by me, sorry for that. I will do that. Click on the swap button, then click on the swap. Here you see network fees will be $1.3, and the maximum total fees will be $2.4. Okay, then click on the approve button. These coins will automatically shift